Ever taken your mostly white sneakers with suede overlay somewhere like a track and then realize, ab inhe saaf kaise kare? If that sounds familiar, this video is for you, my mate. Today we are cleaning these 327's New Balance which were returned from a draining but amazing track. These pairs are about a year old and you can see इन्हें काफी अच्छे से डाला गया है. It has seen some dirt, some trails, some dust, everything. अब आ गया है time इन्हें साफ करने का. The upper is a mix of suede overlays, textile mesh and leather. The midsole is EVA foam and the outsole is rubber. And extremely stained suede, laces and light colors make it challenging pair to clean, but not impossible. So based on the condition and material of the shoe, here is what I will be using today. First of all, ProSuede kit for all the dry cleaning of our suede material. Next we will be using our ultimate kit for all the other parts of the shoes like the rest of the uppers, midsoles and outsoles. Also, I'll be using SHOEGR Shape It to keep the structure of the shoe while I'm cleaning. And collapsible bowl and cleaning mat to keep things organized and clean. And if needed later, I will be using our SHOEGR Revived. It's time that we start cleaning and keep the left shoe for later comparison. First of all, let's remove the laces. These are extremely dirty, so I think I will dip them in my cleaning solution right away. So let's use the bowl. I will pour water. Let's use the SHOEGR Clean to mix some solution in the water. Okay, now the solution is ready. It's time to dip these laces inside the solution. Also, the insoles are removable, so we will remove the insoles and work on them as well, but later. Now let's insert the Shape It. Okay, and now we will be using our soft bristle brush to remove all the dry dust from the shoe. Before any water touches this shoe, we have to clean the suede. So we will be using our ProSuede kit, and for that we'll be using the eraser first. Soft, gentle cleaning. As you can see, there are a couple of deep stains. For these deep stains, we will be using our brass brush, which is this side. We've used the brass bristles to clean up the texture and also smoothen the texture. Yeah, it's very smooth now. For the other, we will use the sun rising arc as well. Now, let's give it a nice damp with our rubber bristles. Now, it's time to work on the rest of the shoe. So for that, we have our ultimate kit. And we will be a little careful with the soft brush while cleaning all the sides. We don't want our suede to get wet. Okay, I've made sure that I have not touched the suede part with all water. Let's work on the inside as well. So I will remove the Shape It. Yeah, even from the inside. Let's not forget the inner lining. Let's use the medium brush for the midsoles. Now it's time for the outsoles. Looking nice and clean. In the meanwhile, let's keep this aside and work on the insole. But for this, we will be using our soft bristle brush. Okay, now it's time. You remember we had our laces जो हमने starting में ही बाउल के अंदर डाल दिए थे. It's time to take them out and clean the rest of it. Okay guys, the shoe is back. The laces, the uppers, the mids, the bottoms, everything is looking fantastic. And before I do the final trick, I want to show you the comparison. This is how the shoe was looking before, and this is how it is looking now. I'll tell you what's the trick. We will be using our SHOEGR Revive to bring that color, that feel, and that smoothness to our suede. So this is that product. I'm going to shake it well. So I'm just gonna go and put this all over the suede part. Here we go. As compared to the previous version, here you go. It's all nice and clean. That's it for this one. Remember, cleaning is a step-by-step process. It depends on the age of the shoe, what materials you're dealing with, and how much dirt is on them will always determine your next step. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, do not forget to love your shoes. It's your boy Mojo. I'll see you in the next video. Let's go.